welcome to the video. In this video tutorial, I'll show you the dashboard overview of OTRS Community Edition. So let's go ahead and log in with the root username and password. After successfully login, you can find a very crystal and clear dashboard, whereas you can find number of widgets and all widgets are highly customizable, so you can drag and drop to the specific place if you want. And setting button, you can enable or disable the available column or remove the column. In the widgets, you can have reminder tickets, escalated tickets, new tickets, running tickets, open tickets, and queue view. So admin or agent can have an overview of all tickets open in the system. At the right side, under the setting widget, you can enable or disable available widgets. So I want OTRS news appointments widget to be available on my dashboard. Select it and save. See, in this state, you can have a number of created and closed tickets, news. In the login users widget, you can have a number of agents available and login into the system. Under the customer section, you can find the number of customers created into the system. Under the search, you can search via the customer username or ID. Under the customer administration, you can create new customers and update existing customers. Let's go ahead and check the calendar section. Under the calendar section, you can have calendar overview, agenda overview, resource overview. So as you can see, it is a business solution feature. It is not available into the community edition. New appointment for a particular case or particular assignment or scheduled task, agent can set appointment and assign to another agent, or admin can create and assign to another agent. Under the ticket section, you can find a queue view, status view, escalation view, new phone tickets, new email tickets, and search tickets. So let's go ahead and check the new phone tickets. So admin or agent can create a ticket via phone call or email. Status view of the particular tickets. Under the report section, statistic, agent can create customer reports or run the reports, predefined reports. So number of tickets available, number of tickets open, number of tickets closed, number of tickets escalated. And the last section is admin section. Under the admin section, you can customize the system or set the system as per requirement. There are multiple sections available: ticket settings, communication and notification, users and groups, process and automation, OTRS group services, and administration. So I will give you a more detailed videos on each topic. So let's check the customer portal. After successfully login, customer has this simple dashboard, and under the ticket menu, customer can create a new ticket, have a status of tickets, have a status of company ticket, and search the specific tickets. Under the preference tab, customer can set password and update the information like language, time zone, ticket overview, and number of display tickets. Let's log out. So this is all about the dashboard overview. I will come with the new latest videos onto the various admin and configurations of OTRS. So stay tuned and be safe. Thank you for watching. Gaurang Patel signing off. Thank you.